Hi, Lee here from 10 Technology. Coming to show you one of our new builds that's rolling out today from the shop. Today is a 2018 Ford Interceptor Fire Chief's Buggy, as we call it, here in Illinois, the Buggy. This is a great customer of ours for the Munster Fire Department in Indiana. We appreciate your business. This is the second one to roll out of the showroom. So we're just going to go over some of the stuff we did for them and some of the things that we're capable of doing here at 10 Technology. Here we have position 1. What this is set up is just the rear only. This is for when the vehicle is parked behind a vehicle or in traffic, stopped in traffic, and they do not need their front lights on, but only a rear warning for protection. It's a slow flash pattern. We have the all Phoenix lighting. We have the hideaways in the taillights. You see doing a slow pattern. And then we have lights on the side. And this is position 1. As you can see, nothing is on in the front of the vehicle. And it is a Fusion 600 bar, dual color, red and amber, in the 180 optics. Alright, this is position number 2. So this has added the front and side warning. You can see in a slow pattern. No wigwags, corner LEDs. See our side fender lights. And this is when they're parked in traffic or blocking traffic. You can see the different side patterns. And once again, we come around to the back and it's still a slow pattern. This is for when the vehicle is stopped or positioned on a highway. It's all about safety. We do not need to blind people that are approaching an emergency scene with our rear warning. It just needs to be visual with a slow pattern. This position is designed for when the vehicle is actually in motion and responding to calls. As you can see, the alternating headlights are enacted, the white corner strobes, the white takedowns, and the flash patterns have increased to a fast pattern. This is designed for moving traffic. Also, when the vehicle goes in the drive, the infrared opticom, which was on this vehicle, will go and turn on. As you can see now, as we walk around the sides, we see a little bit faster patterns. White is now on. We go back around to the rear of the vehicle. And now you'll see some faster patterns. We've added white in the tail lights. This is for when the vehicle is in motion, not when it's in park.
Munster Fire Department. Fire alarm. 8808 Columbia Avenue. Timeout 14:29 hours.
How fitting, the fire pager goes off for Munster Fire Department. And this is a Munster Fire Department Chief's Buggy. Car here. As you see pictured, we have a Havas console with computer mounts. We have a Bright computer docking station for their Fujitsu tablets that they use for mobile CAD. rubberized keyboard with quick release so they can take the keyboard out of them. All powered by a 4200 series siren controller with a 100-watt siren and siren speaker. As you can see, we have position 3, position 2, position 1. The vehicle is set up with a traffic arrow in the back for traffic direction. We have left alley, right alley, and takedown, and that's using the mirror lights, side cannons mounted on the fender, and side 180 red clear color grow lights that are mounted on the side doors. And a multitude of siren tones for their pleasure. The radio is equipped with a 700-800 Motorola 6500 radio for their main dispatch system. And then
responding 8808, Columbia Munster High School on a fire alarm.
2 Kenwood VHF mobiles, red and for fireground operations and other dispatch centers. This vehicle has been equipped with a Sigtronics headset system, specifically for one VHF mobile for fireground operations. So the main radio is on red. They can, using a button, switch the headset system on, which routes the audio to it. They can wear the headset, and this is their push to talk. All the audio is mounted to their headset for them to talk on. This allows the incident commander to be able to keep the major priority traffic, the fireground traffic, in his ear. We can see here, and this is for running any of their peripherals. And then we have 2 standard 12-volt cigarette plugs. And then in the back here, we have obviously the cup holders, because you got to keep your Coke with you, and 2 drop-in chargers for their Motorola APX portables that they use for the fire department. Mounted in the back of the console.
2211. Yeah, about 8808, Columbia on a fire alarm. Just be advised, it's a field house, west side smoke detector. Copy.
Of our siren tones. And you gotta have the Ecto one.